Hi, everyone. This is Dr. Lois Seefeldt, and I want to welcome you to Nursing 6009 Organization and Systems Leadership. Well, I want to start by telling you just a little bit about myself and then tell you about the course that we're going to journey through during this semester. Professionally, I practice primarily in maternal child health in the community as well as in the hospital. And through the course of my 49 years of nursing, I've been a clinical nurse, a researcher, a clinical nurse specialist. I've worked on a NICU. I've worked postpartum. I've worked the nursery as well as working one-on-one with parents who have experienced the loss of an infant. Well, I've been a healthcare consultant, a leadership consultant, a perinatal bereavement educator and consultant. I've also been an expert witness. I've had a private practice. I've served in nursing leadership as a hospital educator, as a clinical nurse specialist, a manager. I've led evidence-based practice councils and projects as well as education. I've been an education administrator as well as an instructor. So you can see that I've been in the area of healthcare in various ways. And that is going to really come into play as we talk about healthcare this semester. Now, when I'm not teaching, I have a family, just like all of you. I'm married for 49 years. I've got two grown daughters who have families as well. I have five grandchildren, three boys, ages almost 21, almost 12, and 7 years, and two girls. A granddaughter who is just about 12, and then a forever baby. Our 12-year-old grandchildren were born 3 days apart, and you can imagine how that was. My daughters were in the same hospital on the same unit. So it's an exciting time. I love gardening, golfing, traveling, doing crafts, painting, doing all kinds of things, as well as going to sporting events, whether we're playing in them, our children are playing in them, or we are rooting for our favorite professional team. As you can see, like you, I have a busy life as well. Now, about our course. In the course, you'll be learning about the U.S. health system, the health delivery system. We're going to discuss how the system's organized and financed, what works and what doesn't work. We're going to address economic and legal and political factors that influence healthcare, not just at the high level, but for the practicing nurse as well. We're going to talk about its effects on patients. You're going to be reading a really interesting book this semester, American Sickness, and you'll be able to talk about how that really impacted you. We'll also be evaluating health outcome data from information management systems and healthcare technologies that promote safe and cost effective care. And we'll talk about how it affects patients. During the semester, you're going to be able to participate in group discussions, and we're going to have four big blue button meetings where we get to not only talk about upcoming assignments, but also talk about current events as it relates to healthcare. It's kind of exciting. You're going to also do you're going to submit two individually authored papers and one presentation. And you'll be doing some group work as well. Now, the keys to success. Everybody always wants to know how to be successful. Well, obviously, having the required textbooks and completing not only the required readings in the textbooks, but some articles as well. Attending to the details of writing using the seventh edition of APA. Certainly asking questions and looking at not only the assignment instructions, but then some keys to success that we have along the way within the course. And as always, I'm here. I'm available through phone call, emails, especially the Canvas email. That just pops right up. But you could always get me through the Marquette email as well. And in emergencies, please text me. I'm here. I'm very accessible, and I am really here to really journey alongside you, help to answer some of those questions. As you heard, I have had a lot of experience in various roles, and many of which were related to healthcare systems and bringing that care about. So, as questions arise, remember I am here. So, how do you get a hold of me? Well, look at your syllabus, and the syllabus has my email address for Marquette as well as my phone. Now, I'm a distance faculty, so I have a cell phone, so you should be able to get a hold of me. Whether your email is in the Marquette system or the Canvas system, I will answer you within 24 hours. If for some reason you need me quicker, as I said, please text me. So it's going to be a busy but very interesting semester as we journey through the world of healthcare organizations, the systems they're in, and leadership, and how it all affects patients. As you know, healthcare is forever changing, and a master's prepared nurse is key to keeping the healthcare system focused on patients and families. And that's what you're working towards. So I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you as we journey together through this course. And I want to get to know you as individuals. So don't forget, pop me an email and say, hey, here's who I am. Take care, and we'll see each other in our course. Bye bye.